30 years sida kayam lairage haina sir ain hangat sabani government city amuk ama chatkini ama lakini paliba lenga asisu honorable leader of the house ki makhana pale si yam su kui banatri adubu responsibility di it's a collective responsibility akhoi sida phamiba ago south sida phamiba member mayam singsigi manipur praja mayam singsi oina collective responsibility ni sir aduna hogri phoktal lairiba total outstanding debt se loan haib tare see 20,846 crore. Ado akoigi roughly 32 lakh population sida sir akoi khaidokpa matamda mioi amada 65,143 household mari laibamda imung da yum mari laibamda lakh aniga 6,576 yum amada mi manga laibamda 3,25,720 sir. Sir, si ako'y mayam ki collective responsibility ni Manipur ki praja mayam haidi praja ki government ni se Manipur ki praja mayam sing sida miyoy amada household amada asuk yam na tonsan baga manarab ni sir. Sir, masi loan mayam si government ki kari policy program laibi center da su BJP government laibi na masi maximum ako'y ki praja da government sida burden laitana ba government sigi kari policy program aduga torkadoba kari kari laibi bage haibadum tang sir thambina ba haidna sir thamjari aduga aina mathangi sida aina yengjaba matamda loan laigib se there's a sharp increase akoi gi open market borrowings in 2019 20 sida aduga masi yamna open market borrowings yam chauna laiheba sir masi gi maramna kari obi bano haibadum tang sir ahambagi aigi supplementary anisim tang thamjage sir thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, कोई state की लगी बा crisis का revenue collection what की बा मैं हम दूसरों मरम मनी कोई loan लो बगी but नसीब आपकी लो रिवर loan सिंसी union government की guideline की मनुंगा लो बा loan आते नहीं जैसे कि across that Henson low give a loan like the my honorable the Singdux again. Aduga Samna Wiki interest payment Hyderabad revenue received as sure again. Wiki septio in a below 10% of the lady. So Wiki Karani healthy winners lady Hyderabad lady. Like about 2024-25 ki, we can see revenue receipt ratio yang akan 6% lagi aja betul. Juga, Toyota we loan sanction low ya was stage tu lagi, hence na loan level like the highlight sengdok segi.
Third, supplementary amani katang thamjaga sir. Huzik phokta 2024-25 the sir. Loan on interest interest on loans 1,022 neighbor sir. 1,022 sir, honorable leader of the house na thambiri si yamchumi akhoi FRBM financial management and budget management ki makhada akhoi madugi government India government guideline makhada di oiba ado akhoi pikraba state da di sahi mada atop thada do myam 1,000 crores sahi mada thido khip taraga di Samna have the any young matam the sir grant from CSS Sigi budget at glance the some young zabda sir grant from CSS grant from CPS NL NEC NL CPR Sigi grant mayam si mamangi revised estimate 11,138 revised estimate mamangi 24-25 revised estimate handaki budget estimate almost half the 5,515 the tare sir. Ado masigi loan gi mayam se lem at least loan gi interest na ang khaima koina tare high tare ga di 500 crore dugi 10% di plus 5,000 crore ma center gi grant lobu ya durim ne sir. Aduna sir masigi issue si government thuna solve tawna to biu government na kari plan lebi boge masigi issue se solve tawna ba haidru sir. Maduma thamjage aroiba supplementary the sir. Handaki growth rate si mamangi revised estimate yang mata handaki GSDP sina mamang da 52,000 crore laiba matam da Under ki GSDP is 60,000, there's a 15.20% growth rate, sir. Masi, Honorable Leader of the House of Thambibugumna, limit the oeba. Huziki loan 20,000 crore loan around 20% gum oe. Aduga GSDP dagi RBI na allowed to riba loan 35% bukti GSDP dagi low yai hariba. Aduna FRBM dasu FRBM ki rule ki matung dasu tahanba limit to 3% dagi 4% aduaida aduga ngasagi budget sina saurbanina borrowing capacity se henkalakpagi mami ma ui basida GSDP sina saurbanina aduna hena pusanaba hena amuke hena loan ki burden achobam leriba state sida hena pusanaba mami ma ujai adun government na yaring kai pusandanaba centrally sponsored scheme sing mayam special package mayam lairiba central government dagi party su sab manabanina adasu BJP sidasu BJP chap manabanina maduda loan da satnaba honanaba tobiyu kari policy program leibige habidum tang honorable leader of the house and thambina bathang.
Honorable Speaker sir, koi honorable member na thambisi yamna serious concern hai jabatai state ki economy si matangda sidaina thamjani si government na yam kanna honari habisigi ai point kha thamjage the debt to GSPD ratio si 2024 2005-6 sida laki basi 70% orami then 2024-25 ta 41% had the last year duga huji 2026-31 March for the 40% had kitang balancing amadi tawri adu kanna honazari ani thamjage hai
Nasi di makan taba question laitre agenda number 1A